listen to the sound. I'd like you to deeply listen to the sound. It doesn't matter what kind of music you listen to, but it matters. You got to you have to listen to the sound. The sound. It's not simply the sound. The sound gives you a chance for you to be stimulated. The point is how you will stimulate it acoustically. Every day, every night, you are here to be stimulated. I tell you again, it doesn't matter what kind of music you listen to, but it matters. In your process to listen to the sound, you are here to face where you can realize the ultimate in beauty acoustically or not. That's the thing I'd like you to experience momentarily. Are you hovering between life and death? This means you're hovering between the sound and silence. It feels so successful in hovering between the two, the sound and silence. Then you're ready to find a tunnel. It is really up to you whether you find the tunnel or not to go forth. How would you like to go forth? I'd like to go forth for the sake of the realization of the ultimate in beauty, acoustically. Now, listen to the following sound. Are you all set to learn summer for the rest of your life?